The goal with the project is to expose farmers to a new type of IoT-based system. We really started with a problem. Some of the main problems with IoT today of cost, power, and range. LoRaWAN, known for the range and low power, solves those issues. Taking these open source and off-the-rack parts kind of meets those cost restraints. And then also in the configuration that we have today, there's not necessarily a need for Wi-Fi connectivity or other things that hinder IoT-based systems.
So up here we have the LoRaWAN gateway, which provides a signal for different devices to connect to. The LoRaWAN gateway is then connected to a computer setup, and this computer actually runs both a network server and an application server. We have the rain gauge, and this lets farmers track the amount of inches they are getting per hour on a real-time basis. And underneath this we have a little temperature sensor that tracks all the real-time changes in temperature. And connected to this we have a soil moisture sensor.
So the data resides on that computer in the box. But what the farmers would interface with is a dashboard that they connect via Wi-Fi. So that thing is an access point. So when usually we think of Wi-Fi, we're thinking about, well, I'm connecting to the internet. Well, actually in this case, your Wi-Fi is connecting to that computer, not the internet. And so I would be able to bring up a dashboard to see the history and also the current status of all of those sensors. So by deploying these sorts of things on upwards of 20 individual farms, we hope to learn from them, what did they find useful? Did they find the dashboards that we provided to be insightful? Or is there a new design that would present that same information in a more useful manner? We would hope that just by doing this, we sort of raise the awareness of sensors and controls in agriculture for them to realize that there is a way to complement data that's coming from their machinery with data that's sensors planted in the field or positioned around the farm, because that can provide information that might help them make the next decision better.